Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up a few things. I feel so bad because we barely just got out of Christmas season and I have already picked up a few Valentine's Day things and I'm just like, oh my gosh. So when I walked into the store, as you can see if you guys watched my previous video, I knew that they were going to be putting out this stuff like really soon. I picked up some stuff. So of course I'm coming to share with you guys. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share videos with your friends and family, and most importantly, hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload my videos, which is often. So I'm going to jump into this video and show you the items that I picked up. So the first three things that I found I think are so pretty. Did I need any more notebooks? No, I did not. I do not need any more notebooks, but I could not pass these up. Oh my goodness. So the first one says, look at that color. Oh gosh, that is so pretty. And it says Girl Boss. On the inside, it is just regular lined paper, nothing spectacular or anything, but the outside is just so pretty. So this one says Girl Boss. This one says This Girl Won't Stop. Sorry for that glare. It has a major glare to it. This Girl Won't Stop. I think that is so cute. And then this one is, which is my favorite saying, strong is the new pretty. And you best believe that, because I mean, I love that. I thought that was so cute. So that is one of the reasons why I could not pass these up. So I did pick up these three. Then I grabbed these hearts, these sequin pillows. They are so cute and adorable. They are not the biggest, but they are cute. And what I did like about them is, well, one side is sequin, the other side is plain. But what I like about them is that one of them is red and gold like that, which, you know, I love that one. And then this one is red and silver. So depending on what your preference is, you can pick or choose either one. These are going to be really cute gifts to give to, like, you know, when I put in my packages and stuff like that, or just to set around for decor. So I did pick up these two. I was hoping that they had some other colors underneath, but these were the only two that I saw. Then I saw these like craft signs, and they're just plain, so you pretty much can paint them or decorate them if you like. I did pick up two because I want to see, I have something in mind for these, but I don't know yet. So I did pick up the two just in case. They have the little burlap string on them so you can hang it up wherever you want. I just thought these were really cute. These will be cute little projects for you to do, even with kids or whatever. You can let them decorate it, glue little jewels on them or whatever you want to do with these. But I thought these were so cute, so I did pick up two of them. Now, out of all the signs that I saw, this was the only one that I picked up for today. I thought this was so cute. It says to the moon and back. And I just love that. I love you to the moon and back. That's like, I just like that saying. So this is one of the ones that can be folded, you know, down like that. But this was the only one I grabbed. I did see a bunch of new pictures. Not really new. A lot of them was repeats from last year. But I did see a lot of stuff. Stay tuned to the end because you guys know I'll put up some pictures. But this was the only sign that I picked up. Socks. You know, I grabbed some of the socks. These are so cute. So this one is the ankle socks, and it just has lips all over it in different colors. Adorable. I love that it has the gray, it's solid gray, and then it has the lips on top of it. This one is black, but this one is a knee-high sock, and it has black with the red lips on it, which I love. And then my favorite one was this pink one with the heart shapes on it that look like donuts. So this one is super cute, and it has a little frosting all over them or whatever. So I got that one. And then the last pair I picked up were some more knee highs that has the conversational heart candies all over it. And I love the colors on these. I love how that yellow like pops. So I picked up those because you guys know I cannot pass up on the socks. So I'm proud of myself because there was some more, but these were the only ones I grabbed. And outside of the Valentine's Day stuff, which I still have some more to show you, I did see these little trinket trays, and I thought these were cute. They have that like mermaid, is that what it's called? It's like the mermaid kind of watercolor color. Yeah. I can't think of the name of this color, but I call it the mermaid colors. So that's what it is, but it looks like a little pineapple. Look at how cute that is. So cute. And then my favorite one was this one right here that looks like a cactus in that same kind of color. So pretty. Look at that. And these are super cute. Now they are on the small side, but I mean, if you just want to hang a ring here, over here on top, put a little couple earrings in the dish, these would be really, really cute. And so I did pick up these too. In my last video, I showed these as I walked through Dollar Tree, and so I just decided to go ahead and pick this up. I picked up so much Valentine's Day stuff. I said, let me just go ahead and grab this, because I know I had a feeling that whenever I went looking for this, it will not be there. So I went ahead and grabbed this love sign. I love that, the way it looks like that. So I grabbed this one. Then they had the cutest desk signs out, and I picked up the one that says Girl Boss, and it's just like that triangle shape like that. I cannot remember what the other one said, but I did take pictures, so they'll be at the end, but this is the one I picked up. Another one of my weaknesses besides socks is picking up the keychains that I have been loving to add into my Poshmark packages. So I did grab a bunch of these, but these are the 3 colors, so I'm only showing you these 3. And so you have this one that kind of looks like a rose gold, and when you swipe it, it has the silver underneath. So I picked up that one. This one is just white on white, or white iridescent on top of silver. So it looks like that. That one is really pretty. And then again with the mermaid type color. Look at that green. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. And I really like when you kind of move it a certain way. You can't really see it in the camera, but it kind of turns purple. And then when you swipe it, it has like this burgundy type color underneath. This one is my favorite. I picked up a bunch of these. And then also I saw these funky little headbands. And the reason I'm calling them funky is because they remind me of like this, I don't know, like they look like those 70s, early 80s headbands that the ladies, you know, on the workout videos when they be like 1 and 2. And they used to have these across their forehead. I don't know, it just reminds me of something like back then. But anyways, these are some headbands, and they have like that watercolor, kind of like this same type of color on them, and they are really cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. They are kind of stretchy, so if you have like a binder or like your planner, you have a bunch of stuff in your planner and it's kind of fat, you could actually use these as like binder, like to close it, like your binders. Slide it over it and keep it closed, because these are kind of cute. This one is like a watercolor with all the colors in it. Then you have this pearl type of white, really cute. And then this one is really, really like funky colors. It's just all the colors, but just, you know, like the print is bigger. And so yeah, I don't know, I picked these up, and like I said, they are a little stretchy, not too much. I don't want to pull it too much. But I don't know. This is just one of those purchases that I picked up something and I don't know what I'm going to do with them. But they're really, really cute. They even had some tweezers and some eyelash curlers in that mermaid kind of color. I don't know if it's picking up. I want to try to turn it. Can you see the colors moving on it? So they have that same mermaid kind of color. And I only picked up the tweezers. I didn't really need the eyelash curlers. Although they were really cute. And now that I'm thinking about it, I could have bought some of those too to add in some of my packages. If I go back and I see them, I will pick up a few, but I did grab that. Then I saw some new lip glosses, and I'm not really big on these. I don't really care for lip gloss that I have to kind of do it with my finger and then rub it on. When I was younger, I liked that, but now I don't like it. So I did pick up this one because it has a really pretty green to it, and I'm going to give this one to my daughter. And it has the little blue sparkles on it and everything. And they had some other colors that was super cute. Again, picture at the end of the video. But this one was the one that I chose because I know she likes blue, green kind of colors. So I just went with this one. So every year it seems like Dollar Tree, they like they re-up on their DVDs and their movies and everything. And sometimes I remember it was like 2 years ago, like I found a whole set of, was it Yo Gabba Gabba? I can't remember what it was, but it was like a whole set of something, like some DVDs, and they were only $1. And I remember everybody looking for those. I found a couple, so I sent them out to whoever I could mail them to. And so when I saw this, I was like, okay, what is that? I wasn't even sure, and I just picked it up. Now what it is it's called Broken Saints, the animated comic epic. And while I was standing in the store, I just quickly pulled my phone out and I just, you know, Googled it, what this was. And this set, which is, it's a whole complete set. It has 4 DVDs in here. This same exact set is, when I looked it up, it said this is selling at eBay, no, at Barnes and Noble's, I want to say for $18.97 or something like that. And then I saw it on eBay for like $15. And I wasn't really aware of what this is or anything like that. I just know that it said animated. My sons like stuff like that. So I went ahead and I picked up the two cases that I saw. And not even really knowing if they were gonna like them or not. So I haven't showed my son this, so hopefully he likes it. I'm not too sure, but for it to be a complete series or a complete set for $1, I was like, yes, I'm taking both of the ones that I saw. So in my other video, when I did a walk through Dollar Tree, which is one of the things that I kind of forget to go back and pick up the stuff that I've seen. When I'm walking through the store, I'm just really recording for you guys, and I kind of forget to go back and get something that I saw. So when I woke up today, I said, oh, I meant to go get some of the coffee notepads that I showed in that video. I really wanted the one that had the floral print on it. Well, when I went back today, they were all gone. These were the only 2 I could find. So I went ahead and picked up the 2 in case you missed that video. It's a notepad by Crown Jewels. They're called coffee notes, and they look like this. Super cute. The other one had floral all over it. This one says life begins after coffee, which is true. And then this one is, it just has like the old print up here that says I need coffee. And there was 2 other patterns, but like I said, the one that I really wanted was gone today. I'm sure I'll stumble across it again, but these were the ones I got. I picked up some gift tissue just because I thought it was cute. This one is white with the gold hearts on it, and then you have the pink set that comes. So I did pick up 2 of these. Then I saw some cute little rubber ducks. They had these out before in the past, a few years ago. Just picked this one up. This one has the cute little heart, pink heart on the chest. And so it is a unicorn duck, and I thought it was cute, so I grabbed it. Of course, I needed a new calendar, 2019, so I did go with this Sarah B watercolor florals. And if I'm not mistaken, this one has been in Dollar Tree in the past. But I mean, when you only need one calendar, you kind of let it go past. But this year is the year that I picked up this one. It has some really pretty prints on it, really pretty floral watercolor prints and everything. Laugh often, dream, don't worry, be happy, and stuff like that. They had so many cute calendars, but yeah, like I said, I only need one, so this was the one I went with. And I saved my favorite items for last. You guys know I love me some stickers. I stopped really working in my planner, which I need to get back into, but I still like to stick stickers on mail and stuff when I send mail out. So I picked up this set. I wanted to put this paper behind it so you guys can see it. Oh, that's not good. Hold on, you guys. Okay, so here's some super cute stickers. Valentine's Day. Look at the little animals, the little alligator, the little hearts and everything. And so I picked up this set. This one right here with all of the unicorns. Adorable. They remind me of My Little Pony, but I really like all the colors in there. I think that is so cute. And then this set right here is adorable. Some cute little mermaids. And look at that little turtle right here. So cute. Sorry for that glare. And so I picked up that. And then I have one more set. And of course I grabbed multiples of this one because I have a thing for foodies, like food stickers. I love the cute little stickers like this. Look at that. The avocado, the bacon, the eggs, the coffee, the tacos. I think these are so cute. And like I said, I love to put stickers on mail. When I send out mail, it could be a bill. It could be a bill to somebody. If it'll make them smile, maybe they'll get the letter and be like, oh, look at that cute little sticker. I like to just stick stickers on mail. So that's why I picked these up. But these are my favorite. And so the last couple things that I have are some cute, oh my gosh, some cute Valentine's Day cards. And yeah, so I picked these up. So this first card says, Narwhal, you be my Valentine. Look at how adorable that is. And these are kind of like in 3D. The water pops up. So if you wanted to, like I always say in past videos, when you're crafting or you're doing something, if you really wanted to, you can take those off. You could take the waves off and the other set right there and use it on your own personal crafts. It could be a pocket letter, a goodie bag, I don't know, whatever you want. But these are cute, especially if you want to like repurpose them. I like these cards. This one says, I do not know what I would do without you. Looks like that. And which one pops off? One of the donuts pop off and the cup. So those can be taken off if you really wanted to. Then this next one says, Love Potion, be my Valentine, drink me XOXO. And it looks like a bottle. How pretty is that? So that one right there. And they do have stuff on the inside. I just didn't want to waste your time. Most of them just say, you are so loved, happy Valentine's Day. Or little sayings on the inside. I'm just trying not to hold you too long. And then this one right here says, Valentine, have you heard the scoop? And it's an ice cream with the hearts all over it. Super cute. This next one is one of my favorites. This one says, I'm stuck on you. Look at that. So cute. Look at that cactus. That is adorable. Then this one is, I like our chemistry. And you see the glass right here. If you turn it over, the glitter moves on the inside. How adorable and creative is that one. I like that one. And it only moves on that one. It says, let's keep working on that love potion. Happy Valentine's Day. That is so cute. And 3 more to go. This one says, sending you a llama love. That is so cute. Look at that. And I'm telling you, if you went to Target or any other store, Michael's or whatever, these kind of cards would be way more than $1. We all know that. So whenever you see these like this, you might want to go ahead and grab them, especially if you have people that you're giving cards to. This well, not the last one. I have 2 more. Valentine, you're one of a kind. And it has a unicorn. What does the inside of that one says? Wishing you a magical day. So that was that one. And the last one that I have, I picked it up from my daughter. And it looks like that. And it's a box of chocolates. And it says, daughter, who needs chocolate on Valentine's Day? Hoping the day is as sweet as you. And I will give this to her with a box of chocolates and some other stuff. So that is it for this haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We are getting ready for a new year. So stay tuned because I'll have a lot of videos coming. And I hope you guys enjoy them all. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.